I start with just a tab, and we're going to go through this and start building out, all right, what needs to be on this tab, whether it's the team tab or the internal use software tab. And then you just start layering up. So rather than starting from the top and trying to build all these formulas, start with the little pieces and make it easy on yourself. I don't believe in overcomplicated models. It's a philosophical difference that I have with some other folks in finance. If you have a really complicated model at an early stage, it's not going to predict anything any better because you don't have enough variables to know the answer. So start simple. And then as you know more, add more. It's going to be easier for you to build, and it's also going to be a lot easier for you to adjust in the future. And then know that, you know, I change our model at least once a month at Compt because we're learning so much, both on what the actual spend is going to be in different areas, but also on our revenue projections. This is just your first version. You're going to keep iterating. There is no build it and you're done. And so just give yourself a break. It's going to be, it's just the first version of, you know, potentially hundreds as you keep going. And then as you look at these models, I'm going to show you, blue means you can touch it. If it's not in blue, it's a formula, don't touch it. That's how you break models, is when you start typing things in, hard coding numbers into places where there's formulas. That's how you really make a mess of your model. And so